I keep on forgetting to record it. Okay. So what are the naming rules of a variable? Now for simplicity, I am using A or B or C. Are there any rules for it? So suppose when a new person is born, after a certain time they give a name based on some nakshatra or some jatakam, etc. Similarly, is any naming convention followed for variables? Can I say one roll number is equal to, say,
share the screen, sir.
Sorry, again, I have to get used to this. Sorry. Okay, so something I am starting my variable name with a number. Earlier in previous cases it was just single character. Now I am just starting with a number, roll number equal to 34. Can I do this? It says invalid syntax. Okay, so maybe I will try one more time. I will do say name is equal to, I give some name. So again, both are syntax errors. One is saying invalid syntax, other one is saying invalid decimal literal. Error is same, but different type of error. The name of the error is same, syntax error in both the cases. Why that syntax error? It is showing. Okay, so I do a couple of times and I come to conclusion that my variable name should not start with a number. Rules. So I just put one rule. Name should not start number. Now can I use those numbers somewhere in the middle of the variable name? Say name underscore 1 is equal to Srinivas. Now I print name. Okay. Now I am able to use numbers not at the beginning, but somewhere at the end or somewhere at the middle. Name underscore 1 again, roll number, something. Let me say 45. Name underscore roll number. So numbers can be used either in the middle of a sequence of characters for naming a variable or at the end, but not at the beginning. Okay, so like this, we have some rules and regulations for naming a variables. I'm using a separate character called as underscore. Underscore can also be part of the variable. Now, immediately I get a doubt. Can I use underscore at the beginning and name a variable?
Sir, we can use.
Okay, let us check it. So, we are able to use it. I'm able to use underscore at the beginning and name a variable. Okay. But though it is permitted, when you use variable names, when you write programs and you give variable name, this is not recommended. Putting underscore at the beginning of it is not recommended. The thing is, Python interpreter uses this convention for some other purpose. Okay. So, though it is permitted, we have different combinations of variable names. Try to use underscore maybe inside a variable name as part of it, but don't use it at the beginning. Okay. So even when we take sessions, when we take classes, we avoid this kind of convention. Starting a variable name with underscore, but we use underscores to combine, 2 or 3 words together. Okay. Now, underscore is a special character. You check out whether any naming convention, whether some other special characters are also can be included or not, that you do it as a practice. Practice using special characters other than underscore as part variable name. So that is not a point. That let us put it as something. Okay. Now this is one rule. Can we have some other rules? For that you can just Google it. Let me see. Naming conventions. Conventions of variable in Python. Variable somewhere. Let us take the documentation of the Python itself. Oh, it's a big one. Okay. Let us take simple one. Naming conventions, medium 10 points or something. So online you have different ways to check for them. Again, this is not convenient for me. There are W3 schools. Let us take this. This gives us in a point wise. Variable names. Okay. It is mentioned in so points. A variable name must start with a letter or an underscore character. Cannot start with a number. This we have just checked now. It can have alphanumeric characters, that also we have checked. They are case sensitive. Means there is a difference between a lowercase and uppercase when you create variables. Let us take some example and check. So I take small letter A and assign it to a value. I take capital letter A and assign it to a different value. So when I print them, A is equal to we see whether it can work or not. Yes, it is working. So small letter A is 67, capital letter A is 90. So variable names are case sensitive. Let us add that. Case sensitive. So if you get some more points, if you tell, we will include that in the PPT. So that's it for the variable topic. So if you have logged in with your laptops, practice by giving different kinds of operators and all, see what kind of error messages that you get. Read the error message and just make an attempt to understand how it is working. Right. So that's all for this session. What I will do is I will those who haven't attended the
Sir,
yes.
I was absent for yesterday's class, sir. Can you please upload the recording link, sir?
I have just uploaded before the start of this session. I have uploaded in the Jira.
I have to.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this form.
No, don't. Okay, no need to have just displaced. You can leave it.
So those who already attempted the mock test, no need to attempt it again. Those who did not attend it, I will again call out the numbers. If they are present in the call, you attempt it. I am pasting that link in the chat. So I pasted the link in the Zoom chat.
I won't change. Okay, no problem. No problem.
So from AIML. Roll number 14, are you there?
Harina, roll number 54. Are you able to open the exam?
25, Krishna Madhav.
Roll number 54.
42, 57.
54 are you able to open the exam? Okay.
I think others have already called. From cyber security. Roll number 5.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it's not updated one, no, sir.
Which one?
The Google form is in. My old registration number is present, sir, not new one.
Your roll number is
11, 12, sir.
from cyber security.
No, sir, artificial intelligence. 23, 12.
23, 12. I did not include that. Okay.
And my old registration number is also present there, sir.
Don't use the old registration. Let us stick with only new one.
Okay, sir.
I will upload and then. And what is your old registration number?
23, sir. 22, 23. 22 section 23. Yes, sir. Yamani Aviram.
So that 22 I will remove it from here.
Yes, sir. 23.
23. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check now once.
1 second, sir. I will refresh it. You need permission. It's asking permission, sir.
Access it only with your Geetam ID.
Yes, sir. Before it came, sir, but now it's not.
Okay, let me again post the link. Right.
Sir, it's saying no longer accepting responses, sir.
Sorry. Okay.
Yes, sir, it came, sir.
Right. I think I'm not doing the wrong one. I think I've selected the wrong one.
Yes,
Actually,
sir,
this
it's not
this
getting
is
submitted.
no questions are coming, no? Right. Let me make the changes in the correct one. Review of this is the correct one, right? Now try the first one only, first link only, which is there in the chat. It should work now.
Okay, sir.
So those who attempted, they can see their numbers here. I'll also update my place.
Yes, sir, questions are coming, sir.
Right.
I think I attempted this quiz, sir.
With your new roll number, even old roll number 23, as a 23, I think. When your roll number is 23, you might have attempted it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, attempt one more time. Anyhow, we are not considering this. It is only for testing purposes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. They will be attempting it. So, any questions or doubts from other members? So now, Mohan, are you there?
Sir.
Right. Yesterday you were asking that program, no, it is working, but it's not. When you copy
Yes.
paste it, hacker rank, it's not working.
Yes, sir.
Can you share that? Can you share your screen once, and so that we will see what the problem is?
So wait, sir. I will once open the hacker rank.
Okay.
Yes.
In the meantime, any questions, doubts from other participants?
Conclusion and future work consultant. Environment and conclusion and future work కూడా యాడ్ చేయాలి.
Can you share the screen? Sir, is it visible? Sir, you are on mute, sir.
Right, it's visible. Execute this program so that we can see whether it is proper. Give some time.
Words. It's showing all characters are repeating, sir. Here, character.
Okay, fine. Right.
Sir, same.
You want to put it in HackerRank account?
Yes,
right?
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Don't initially paste it. Let us see what is the platform.
Yes, sir.
Enter your code. No. Just a minute. Close it and again open. He's giving some instruction. No, let us read that instruction first. Reset.
Enter your
And
code here.
read input from standard in, print output to std out. Okay, leave it as it is a comment. No, type your thing in the next line.
Yes, sir.
Right, now run this code, run this program.
I will give one name. Test case is 0 is passed.
Oh, just your output is R. Expected output is R. But what is the question? R is the
Peterson, sir. Input.
okay. Go to the top once. In the given string, the first non-repeating character is R, so we print R.
That is explanation, sir.
Mohai, can you show the question once again?
Question, right?
This is the question, sir.
Is to find the first non-repeating character in the string. Acha. Okay, first non-repeating character. Okay. When you are given the input T, so T it is getting repeated, E is getting repeated, R is not getting repeated. So
Yes, sir.
R, S, O, question, R, S, O, N are those characters are not getting repeated. Out of that, the first one is R. Right.
Ah,
Okay.
yes, sir.
All right. Now submit it.
And those who have finished
Submit.
already, you just raise your hand first. On your video, raise your hand.
See, sir. Test case
Okay.
1 is not passed.
Right. Now click on test
Sure.
case 1.
Yes, sir.
Wrong answer 0.03 seconds.
Turn off your video. Everyone turn on your video.
Acha,
The
maybe
Is it visible, sir? This way. This slide.
right.
Character.
CH. So what is expected? We
Expected output is wait, sir. All characters are repetitive. Same thing we have done in Python ideally, sir.
all characters are repetitive. Capital A, C are copy this. Copy this sentence.
This is output, sir.
That's what. Copy this. Is this what asked by the if all characters are repeated? Is it okay? Copy it and go to the program.
In HackerRank, sir.
Close this. Go to the problem. Single note input may include white space. Output if all characters are repeated, all characters are repetitive with the full stop. Is full stop. Go to your program here only.
So it was vanished.
Okay, go to in your IDLE.
Yes, sir. Same thing I have
పెళ్లి
written,
కొడుకు
sir.
ఏం
All
చేస్తాడు
characters
చెప్పు?
are repeating.
All characters are repetitive, no?
పెళ్లి కొడుకు
So what?
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్
Sir, repetitive.
Repetitive, no?
7 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్.
How to
7 lakhs
mute him?
ప్యాకేజ్ కాదు, నెలకి అనుకో.
ఇప్పుడు నా మాట్లాడే వాళ్ళని ఎలాగే మ్యూట్ చేయడం? ఓకే, వాళ్ళే మ్యూట్ చేశారు. రైట్. రిపిటేటివ్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టండి. అది ఫుల్ స్టాప్.
సార్ నేను మ్యూట్ చేశాను. వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు మ్యూట్ చేయరు సార్ అసలు?
రిపిటేటివ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ కరెక్ట్ గానే ఉంది చూడండి. when you work with this kind of thing, వాళ్ళు ఏ అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశారో మనం కూడా అదే అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వాలి. లేకపోతే అది టాలీ చేసేటప్పుడు రాదు.
Wait, sir.
అక్కడ రిపీట్ అక్కడ ఏముందో చూడండి, అదే కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేయండి. రేపు మీరు కోర్స్ అలా చేసేటప్పుడు ఇదే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, రైట్. సో
I think he has only done that repetitive spelling mistakes.
I think as rest of the things it should work fine.
Now it will work fine.
Yes, sir.
కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేయండి.
Mohan, you did not remind me yesterday.
He called me, sir. He
Sir,
called
I also
me.
called you, sir.
Okay.
But you are not
Right.
అది అలా కామెంట్ అలాగే ఉంచండి. రైట్.
listening. But I want to change this one, sir.
I think Mohan, it will take the test case. I think you should not write
sir.
down that scenario. You take only input directly,
Sir,
so that all
while-
test cases will be passed.
No, sir, while taking that, it's I will do.
Input spelling, right.
Yes.
Yes. Brackets, parentheses. Yes. That's all. There is no need of any message. I think there is no need of any message, Mohan.
Yeah, okay.
Keep it blank. Keep it blank. Keep the parentheses blank. Yes, that's all. Now run.
Okay, sir.
Right. Without giving it, it is taking the standard test case.
Yes, sir.
Right.
I will submit the course. It was still test case one.
Right. No, open that. Maybe the full stop, no, whether it is part of the output or not, we'll check it. We have given last
Sir,
full stop.
actually, I think that he has given a logic which is working for other test cases, and his logic might not be universal.
Sir, same test case I will run, sir. That one. Wait, sir. I will run in Python ideally, sir. The character. It will working, sir. All characters are repetitive. Same on
Okay, last.
Is there any full stop? Just check out the
అది
expected outcome.
అది రిమూవ్ చేసేద్దాం. విల్ రిమూవ్ దట్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్ అండ్ దెన్
Check out that expected outcome once whatever he has
expected
given.
Sir, there is no full stop.
Remove that full stop. Now everything will work.
Yes, sir. It's working, sir. Now I will go and check in the Hacker Rank. Or Devda. Yes, sir. It's done, sir.
right. So
It's working, sir.
logic is fine at your end. Only thing is while we go for the test cases, it expects the exact way to get it printed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
Yes, sir.
here we did not come across time limited constraint. Maybe sometimes some logic will work for computation. It may take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. There could
Yes,
be
sir.
other logics where the execution time can be reduced, and in some cases that also will be there. Okay, when we come across such kind of problems, we will see. Right, Mohan? Okay, once this unit test 1 is completed, we will also recommend you to join in some free courses like HackerRank or BinarySearch.io. There are various many things where you can practice it and see.
Sir, this question I can't understand, sir.
Okay, that we'll see later. When we discuss topics related to Python, we will ask you to come up with some problems and try to solve either in the lab session or in the class.
Okay, sir.
Right. So it's 11:52. Okay. Any other questions, doubts?
Sir, what about Coursera?
That once you get licenses, then we will start that topic. We at our end, we are also requesting to release the licenses as early as possible for students, so that they can start doing it.
But in Coursera, we can enroll for free, sir.
Yes.
But we can't take that certificate, sir.
Yes. So for getting certificate only, we are waiting.
I
You
already
have to-
enrolled for Google, sir.
So
Google
you have to
Python.
submit that certificate to us after completing it. Then some marks are allocated for those things.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I get something email related to Coursera. Can I show it soon?
Yes. Mm, 13th December. Okay, 2 days back. Right, scroll down. Thanks for joining Coursera student program. Okay. Within the program, oh, you are able to take up one course. Not one. Has everyone else received the same thing?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Okay, leave it.
Some courses, sir.
No, but at the top it said you can enroll for only one course, no? So you have 6 subjects. Every subject will have one Coursera course. Maybe this is this Shravan who has presented now?
Sir, I think people are starting to worry seeing that
Yes, sir.
what Mohan is doing, lot of
Right,
things,
right.
stuff that this.
Okay. No, for those who are not able to understand what Mohan is doing, no need to worry. We will also give you assignments in the similar lines. So initially we thought we asked Mohan not to do all these things in the class, but since no one is asking any doubts, we wanted to utilize the time to clear the doubts. Otherwise, Mohan will call us at around 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. to have a Zoom session, which we cannot do it. So if Mohan's turn will come only when you don't have any questions to ask, right? And what he's doing is he's trying to learn, implement some Python related things in some website, learning website, HackerRank or all. Once we introduce topics related to Python, we will make you work in the similar kind of environments. And if you are good enough, you can also create your own programs, your own test cases, and give it to other section of students. That is also there. Yeah, right. This is where REPL or GitHub will help you in creating test cases similar to what Mohan is doing. So no need to worry. We have planned everything to see that all 120 students understand whatever is going on. Right. So it's almost the end of the class. Any questions, doubts? And those who haven't attempted mock quiz, you do attempt it so that we'll understand, we'll know if is our form is good enough, because we will duplicate the same form for the unit test also. Not the questions, but the format, which includes your roll number as well as name.
Sir, is there any mobile application for doing Python offline, sir, in mobile?
In mobile, okay, I don't.
So we have, sir. We want to download compiler.
But mobile writing programs is difficult, no? You have to follow the syntax.
So up to basics, it is easy, sir.
So it is recommended to use only systems while typing any program related things. Sending SMS or WhatsApp messages is okay, or at least reading or listening to videos through Coursera or something is okay, but to practice it, you can do with the mobile, but typing becomes difficult. Even for writing few lines of code, you have to spend a lot of time.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right.
But sir, got the response from other sections also.
So I'm stopping the recording part.
There might be a migration